Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to 10-11 Building. The Ashley Boys versus the Major. Now I give you the coaching staff. Yes, G-Boy. What can you say, Mr. G-Boy? And the father, Abdal Rosario. The assistant coach, head, master. And the cheering squad, Arby and Aljan. What can you say, Tata Bits? And the Muse! Hey Jason!
Kasama mo pala si Sikya? Kasama mo si Sikya?
Asan si Kya?
Sabi niya pupunta siya.
Hey Jopet! Hi Jopet! There's the new rookie. Rookie of the year.